Hey guys, in today's video I will show you how to allocate more RAM to your Minecraft. You can do this to your vanilla Minecraft or also to your modded Minecraft. So first let's go to our launcher. Okay, so now we go over the installations. Here you can find your different Minecraft versions installed. I will choose this one. And now we click on more options. We can see two different tabs, but we are looking for this one. This number right here. This 2 means my Minecraft right now will be using 2 gigabytes. That's low if you're using any mod. What we want to do is increase this number. I have 16 gigabytes, so for example, this is recommended to use something like 6 or even 8. If you're only going to play vanilla, you can just increase it to 4. You won't really need more than that. And yeah, that's everything. If you learned something new, leave a like and subscribe. See you next time.